fruit salad. That's fruit salad. Tasty. Lumpiang Shanghai, barbecue, spaghetti, and the 12 kinds of fruits for the whole year round. Where it's grapes, banana, tongkan, pineapple, melon, mango, ripe mango, kainito, apple, guava, chico, pears, watermelon. That's it. We have a complete meal for the New Year's Eve. Salad is so delicious, so sumptuous, so delicious, sweet, and yummy. Spaghetti is also delicious, cooked by Tia Rose, Mommy Rose. Lumpiang Shanghai, barbecue, so delicious, so mouth-watering. Enjoy eating. Happy New Year to everyone. Hope you like our foods. The spaghetti, Shanghai, and barbecue, tasty, and the salad. I make everything possible so that we can enjoy New Year's Eve. I was the one who did the salad, fruit salad. Look at it. It's so delicious. Different kind of fruits in the fruit salad. Okay. Happy New Year! Happy New Year! Happy New Year! Happy New Year to everyone. Happy New Year.